In the following video, we will learn how we can install WordPress locally. For that, first we are required to download XAMPP. You can download from the following website. I will link it in the video description. Once you download it, you need to complete the setup by following these steps. Now, finally, allow access and click Finish. The XAMPP has been installed. On XAMPP dashboard, you need to activate the following two options, Apache and MySQL. Allow access. Now, let's visit Localhost on the dashboard. To visit it, open the browser and type localhost/dashboard. Once it opens, it will confirm that the XAMPP was successfully installed. Next, we need to download WordPress. We can download from the official WordPress website. Once the download is complete, you need to visit this option, PHP My Admin. You can simply type localhost/PHP My Admin in the search console. Here, we will create database. For that, you need to click New, which is available on the left sidebar. Then, you need to add a database name such as WordPress DB. Then, click Create. Now, our database has been created, as you can see on the left sidebar. Next, you need to click the Privileges option. Here, you need to add user account. Now, fill the information for the user, such as username, password. Then, make sure to grant all privileges on database. Finally, scroll down and click Go. So, a new user was successfully added in this database. Now, you need to extract the WordPress folder which we downloaded from WordPress website. Once you extract it, you need to copy all of these files. You can simply copy the WordPress folder. You need to go this PC and find XAMPP folder. In XAMPP folder, you need to find htdocs. Here, we will paste our WordPress folder. Then, we will again type localhost/WordPress. Now, the WordPress setup need to be done here. First, choose your desired language. Next, it will ask for the database name, username, password, host, table prefix. So let's go. Enter all of the required information here, such as database name, which we already created, the user that we created in the previous step, and the same password we used when created the user. Make sure to keep database host as localhost, table prefix as WP_. Then click Submit. Now, you need to click Run the installation. Now, fill out all of this information for your website, such as site title, your username, password, email, and search engine visibility. if you want to. Finally, click Install WordPress. Congratulations, the WordPress has been successfully installed. Now click on the following login button. This button will take us to the login page for WordPress. You need to enter your user information such as username and password, then click login. Here you can see we already logged in to our website's dashboard. Let's visit the website. Here you can see the preview for the site. Let's go back. As you know, we need to be online for first few steps. Once the installation is done, you can go offline and continue. Now we will add a theme. For that, we will go to Appearance. Then click Add New. Make sure to download the theme and then you can upload it offline for offline use. Click Upload Theme and click and select the theme. Finally, click Install Now. This will complete the installation and click Activate. You can see the theme was successfully installed without any internet. But for this, make sure to download the theme using internet first. The theme has been successfully applied. Similarly, you can add plugins, add pages and posts as well. You can even edit the theme while staying offline. So you can do all testing while staying offline locally on your laptop. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe.